Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to redeem or check your Telecel points. That's the red coins. And with these coins, you can redeem airtime, bundle, and a whole lot. So if you want to check your Telecel points, then this particular video is for you. So kindly open your dialer and dial the USSD code *533# hash. So dial this code *533# hash. Yeah, so from the options, we have check red coins, redeem red coins, and check voucher code. So I advise you to first check your red points before you make any redemption. So check the red coin. Yeah, so in here I have 3,000 coins. So that will help me to know the thing that I can, redeem. So let me select 2, redeem red coin. So now in here we have airtime, data, entertainment, restaurants, travel and hospitality, and health. So depending on the one that you prefer, you select the one that you prefer. Let's say I want airtime. Airtime is 1. Yeah, so with 8 minutes, that's 400 coins. 18 minutes, 1,000 coins. 25 minutes, 1,400 coins. So as I said earlier on, choose the one that you prefer. Yeah, so that's your redemption is being processed. You receive a confirmation message soon. So that's how simple and easy it is to redeem your Telecel points. Yeah, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. Okay, so see you in the next video.